Hey guys, welcome to Mental Marathon. Today we'll be guessing the dog breeds. What do you think is the breed of this dog? Time's up. It's B, Jack Russell Terrier. How about this cute little fella? Time's up. It's C, Welsh Corgi. Can this adorable dog still see us? Yes, he can. It's C, Puli. Some dogs do love the cold. Great guess. It's D, Siberian Husky. Isn't she the cutest little dog? Time's up. It's C, Dachshund. What a majestic dog. And a big one, too. Great job. It's A, Saint Bernard. Fun fact, this dog breed has a blue tongue. Yes, it is. It's B, Chow Chow. Would you look at that cute little nose? Great job. It's A, Pekingese. This one sure is a gentle giant. Do you know what it is? That's right. It's D, Mastiff. Another cute little fella. Guess what it is? Time's up. It's B, Chinese Crested. Any guesses to what breed this majestic dog is? Great job. It's A, Akita. How about this energetic and loyal friend? Time's up. It's C, Boxer. Fun fact, this happy dog is one of the smallest dog breeds. Time's up. It's C, Chihuahua. Would you look at this bundle of joy? What dog are these? Yes, it is. It's B, Labradoodle. Oh my God, this dog is so fluffy. What do you think is it? Great guess. It's D, Sheltie. What a handsome looking dog. Guess what it is? Correct? It's Hey, Rottweiler. Oh my God, a walking cotton ball. Boom! It's C, Pomeranian. Did you know a group of these dogs is called a grumble? Great guess. It's D, Pug. If ever a pop star is a dog, it will definitely be this breed. Yes, it is. It's B, Afghan Hound. Look at those fluffy ears. What dog breed is this? Time's up. It's B, Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. How about this cute little fella? That's right. It's D, French Bulldog. Another cute little fella. Guess what it is? Great guess. It's D, Scottish Terrier. Fun fact, this dogs were born swimmers. That's right. It's D, Labrador Retriever. Guess what this gentle giant's breed is? Time's up. It's B, Great Dane. So fluffy, so majestic, so cute. Correct? It's Hey, Sammy Ed. Well, this pup is a celebrity. Any guesses? 101 something. Boom! It's C, Dalmatian. Did you know this dog is considered the smartest? Yep, it is. It's C, Border Collie. Fun fact, this dog breed have stars in the Walk of Fame. Time's up. It's B, German Shepherd. Oh my god, a cotton ball in the field of dandelions. Tadashk, it's D, Japanese Spitz. I mean, who could ever resist a smile like that? Correct? It's Hey, Bernese Mountain Dog. Did you know these dogs were developed primarily for hunting hares? Boom! It's C, Beagle. I just can't help but smile back whenever a dog smiles to me. So cute. That's right, it's D, Shiba Inu. Yes, Queen, I'll bring you your toy dog as you please. Yes, it is. It's B, Maltese. So wrinkly and so cute. One of the best guardian dogs. Time's up. It's B, Chinese Shar-Pei. I hope those ears are not as heavy as they look. That's right. It's D, Basset Hound. These dogs are robust with high agility and power. Yes, it is. It's B, Bull Terrier. What a graceful dog. So sharp and sleek. Correct? It's Hey, Doberman Pinscher. Oh no, a walking rug. Just kidding. Guess what dog this is? That's right, it's D, Commander. Another fluff jumping around the field of grass. Time's up. It's B, Hokkaido. Did you know this dog is renowned for their sweet, gentle, and devoted nature? Time's up. It's C, Newfoundland. Last but not the least, guess what these beautiful dogs are. And it is B, Psiloid Squintly. Thank you so much for playing with us. We hope to see you at the next games.